We are back, still subtracting fractions. This time we have whole numbers and we have fractions on the top and the bottom. However, if you take a close look at this, you will see that this says 3/5 and this says 4/5. And you cannot say 3 minus 4. You learned that a long time ago, I'm sure, way back in first grade. All right, so what we're going to have to do is just like we would do with regular whole numbers, we're going to have to borrow so that we can make this work. So of course we're going to have to borrow from this whole number. We're going to borrow from this 8. So now this is going to become a 7. And the one that we borrowed, we're going to add it to the fraction that we already have. Now, what are we going to make that fraction that we just borrowed? Well, we already know that when the top and bottom numerator denominator are the same, it's the same as one whole. So we're going to turn that one whole that we just borrowed into 5/5, 5 over 5. And we know it's going to be 5 because we already have denominators of 5. And we know that a 5 over 5 is the same as 1. So that 1 we borrowed is now 5 over 5, 5/5. And we're going to add it to 3/5. So we now have 5 plus 3/5 is going to give us 8/5. And our 4/5 stays the same. And now we can subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. Over 5 is 4/5. And now we go back over here. We have 7 minus 7. That's just the big 0, so we don't have to write anything. Our final answer is going to be 4/5.